It's Amir Hussein, that means I am fine. I hope you too be fine. I promise you that I will post every night a video. The last night I have a problem with my computer, but you can see that I'm posting that right now. That means that I solved the problem. Now in this video, the video that will be uploaded on this night would be very cool and cool effect. Now you can see this effect can be achieved. That's very cool. Now let's talk about this video. This video is about how we can change hair color. Before going further, just let me tell you that I changed the eye color of this beauty. You can see the color was this gray color. I changed that to reddish and magenta. Magenta is here. You can see I changed that. If you don't know how I did this, you can go and watch my tutorial on the tutorial on my channel by the name of how to change eye color in Photoshop. I think that's that one. But because that's really good. Another thing that I did, I extracted the hair here because the saving time. How I extracted this, I use a quick selection tool, just paint it like this and refine that with select and mask. That is easy for you guys. That is different for every picture that you do. Because of that, I don't want to show you how I change this hair situation. Is easy. Also we can extract this with pen tool. That's cool. Okay, and now I am using color theory to change the color of this hair. Just let me tell you what is the color theory. You can see I have three base colors: red, green and blue. That means they are RGB colors. They are three layers. Put them into linear dodge add. You can do this the same. If I put red and green together, we will have the pure yellow. How I am sure that's pure? Now I can sample this. Now you can see this is the pure. I'm not sure what is that. Pure yellow. In here it's pure magenta. Now you can see the numbers here. What is if I put all them together? Now you can see this is white, but maybe you think that it is not completely white, but I promise you that is white. Now you can see this is the pure white. This is the color theory. All colors we have are the combination of these three colors. And now I'm changing the colors of her hair. I will use that color theory using curves adjustment layer, boosting one color and reduce to another color to achieve the colors that we want. Just create clipping mask. Now I want to boost the not RGB, I want to boost the reds. You can see we have this orange tint of color. I think this is colors for Lady Gaga's or Nicki Minaj. I'm not sure which one of those have this color. And if I boost the yellow, if I boost the red and greens, that means yellow and green, that means that we have yellow color. Now you can see we achieved the yellow colors. But now if I boost the yellow a little touch, you can see that we achieved the balloon color. I think this wasn't the first color there. That was the balloon, but we changed that into balloon color. Balloon, not balloon. I'm not sure what is that. We changed that to that. And another effect that we can achieve is, just let me reset them, ginger color. Ginger, I'm not sure, ginger or ginger. Boost the reds and boost the yellow again and reduce the blue color here. Just let me do it. I'm not sure this is the color. This is pink, something like this. Just let me boost the reds. This is, I think this color is called ginger. Yeah, this is the ginger. I'm not sure. Just let me search on Google. you're waiting. This is the ginger color that we achieve in Photoshop. Another, this is the combination of these three colors. We can achieve it very easily by understanding the theory of three basic colors. Now you can see I boost the yellow, that means that we have magenta color here. And what will do if I reduce the yellow? You can see, don't reduce it like this because the selection edges will be revealed. Push it something like this. You can see this is the difference that we can make. And just let me make a color something like this. Also you can play around with RGB and boost the highlights a little touch, maybe more contrast, something like this. But this is cool effect that I achieve. But what another cool effect that we can make is using not color balance, using black and white. Just create this icon to clip this color to affect only this here. Now you can see we have this white colors on her hair, but the colors of this is combination of yellow and reds. How I understand? Because I understand the color of theory. Now you can go and practice that and experiment that you will understand. If I boost the yellow, it means that I gain the yellow, the red, that means I get the yellow and change the red color into white color. Now don't go something like this crazy, but something like a realistic color that we can achieve. Now you can see we achieve the black color, but that's not real, that's fake, but this color is also cool. Again, let me make another one. Create clipping mask, reduce the reds, greens, and boost the yellow blues. Have something like this. Just let me tell you another thing about the color theory. No, there is nothing that remains that I should tell you. You can achieve this colors here. But if you forgot what is the opposite of color, what is the opposite of that, go to color balance. I always do this when I forgot. Here you can see the opposite of the blue color is yellow. It means that if I boost the blue colors, it means that I reduce the yellow color on the picture. Also, it's the same for these two sliders. That means if I push the yellow reds, means that I gain the cyan. Just let me show you here. If I boost the reds, means that I gain the cyan color. Now you can see I'm adding the cyan color here. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and this would be helpful for you understanding the theory of three basic colors RGB, that means red, green and blue. What are they together, how we can achieve some color that is combination of these three colors. I am obviously sure that this curves adjustment layer is another way that we can also change the colors. Just let me show you another one. Means I'm using solid color, something like this I want to achieve. Now this is, you can see this is not what I want. And what happens if I put this into soft light? Now you can see the magic happen. Now here you can see here is 16 million colors that we can just select one of those colors and make our picture. And for using this changing color, I have a full tutorial on my channel by the name of how to change any color into any color. I showed there about 8 or 10 ways how we can change a color into another color. If you missed that, go and watch that, and I hope you that enjoyed this video. If you have any question and you have problem, just send me an email, and if you don't want to send an email, just leave a comment below in the video. Like and subscribe and ring the bell of my channel. If you don't know how I change the eyes colors yet, I'm not showing right now, go to my page and watch that helped me a lot. And this is all thing. I hope you that enjoyed this. I said this 3 times and see you on the next day.